Budget gaming laptop. Budget gaming laptops are designed for people who want to enter the world of PC gaming without selling a kidney or emptying their entire bank account. They usually come with affordable processors and entry-level dedicated graphics cards that can run popular games like Fortnite, Minecraft, Valorant, and GTA 5 at reasonable settings. To keep the price low, manufacturers often use simpler displays, smaller storage options, and basic cooling systems. Examples include the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, Acer Nitro Vi, and HP Victus 15. These laptops are perfect for casual gamers who want to enjoy gaming without needing a machine that looks like it belongs in a spaceship. Entry-level gaming laptop. Entry-level gaming laptops are built for people who want more power than a normal office laptop, but do not need a machine that could probably launch a rocket. They usually feature dedicated graphics cards, better cooling, faster SSD storage, and stronger processors compared to regular laptops. They can handle competitive games like Valorant, Counter-Strike, and Fortnite smoothly, while heavier games may require some settings adjustments. Examples include the Asus TUF Gaming F15, Dell G15, and MSI Thin GF63. They are a great starting point for new gamers who want real gaming performance without jumping straight into expensive territory.
Mid-range gaming laptop. Mid-range gaming laptops are considered the sweet spot for most gamers because they offer the right balance between price and performance. They usually come with powerful processors, capable graphics cards, more RAM, and high refresh rate displays that make games feel smoother. These laptops can handle modern games at high settings, while also managing tasks like video editing, streaming, and 3D design. Examples include the Lenovo Legion 5, Asus ROG Strix G16, and Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. For many people, this is the category where their wallet stops crying and their gaming experience starts smiling.
High-end gaming laptop? High-end gaming laptops are built for people who want almost no compromises. They come with powerful processors, flagship graphics cards, premium displays, advanced cooling systems, and enough performance to run demanding games at their highest settings. Features like ray tracing and high frame rates become much easier to achieve on these machines. Examples include the Razer Blade 16, Asus ROG Strixscar 18, and MSI Raider GE78HX. The only downside is the price tag, which can sometimes make you check your bank account twice just to make sure you saw the number correctly.
Ultra-thin gaming laptop. Ultra-thin gaming laptops are designed for gamers who want power without carrying around a laptop that feels like a portable brick. They combine dedicated graphics cards and strong processors with slim, lightweight designs that are easier to take to school, work, or travel. Examples include the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, Razer Blade 14, and Alienware X14. Their compact size is impressive, but it also means there is less room for cooling, so they make it warmer during long gaming sessions. Basically, they are the laptop version of a sports car. Fast, stylish, but things can get hot when pushed hard.
Desktop replacement gaming laptop. Desktop replacement gaming laptops are the monsters of the gaming laptop world. They are built to deliver desktop-like performance with huge screens, powerful graphics cards, advanced cooling systems, and high-end processors. These machines are designed for gamers and creators who want serious power but still want the option to move their setup when needed. Examples include the Asus ROG Strixscar 18, MSI Titan 18HX, and Alienware M18. They are not exactly the kind of laptop you casually carry around with one hand, but they give you the closest experience to having a gaming desktop that can technically fit inside a backpack.
That covers the full range, from budget laptops that just want to run Fortnite without catching fire, to desktop replacements that are portable if you're being generous. Let me know in the comments which category you're rocking, or quietly saving up for. If this helped, a like goes a long way, and subscribe, unless you'd rather find out the hard way that your new gaming laptop struggles to open a browser tab.